Hi, Michelle here. So today I'm going to look at a mixture of things. Okay. So there'll be quite a lot to take in. Just take your time. A lot of it you might already know, and that's fine. I'm going to put some questions after I've done each sort of subject, and you can bring them into class and we can check and mark them. Okay, right, I'm going to turn off my camera, but you will see the screen. So, bring up a Word document. Right, okay, so here we go. So let's say number one, let's say you're asked to find let's go 3/4 of 900 and 64 pound. So the first thing I would do is change this. Oh, I wanted a different colour. Change this into a figure. So it's 964. So I'm just going to check. Yeah, that's 960 and just a unit 4. So that looks pretty okay. So now we've got 3/4 of 964. So we know by fraction facts that that's a divide and that's a times. And we always start here at the denominator, the bottom number. So that's a divide. So 964 divided by the 4. Okay. Right, 4 into 9 goes 2, and that remains 4 times 2 is 8, so that remains 1. The remainder is 1. Now I'm working with 16 because that's my remainder there. So 4 into 16 goes 4. 4 times 4 is 16, so there's no remainder. So I'll go to the next number. 4 into 4 is 1. So our answer is 241. Brilliant. Right. The next one is the times. So I take the answer and I times it by 3. Now, again, I'll just go slow just in case, okay? So there's 2 ways you can do that. You could go 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, which gives us 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 8, 12, carry the 1 over, and 2, 4, 6, 7, 7, 2, 3. Or you could do the multiplication method. 2, 4, 1 times by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12, and 3 1s are 3. We keep the last number. Well, there's only one number there, so we're going to keep that, which is 3. The next box, well, that's our last number, so I'm going to keep that. And I've got 1 left. Now that 1, I'm going to add to the 6, which gives us 7. So that's our last number, 7. 7, 2, 3. So it depends how you want to do it, okay? This could be quite a long method if you've got like times by 23. But it works, so it's fine. So our answer for this one is 7, 2, 3. Double underline it or put it in a box. Just make sure that it is very clear that that is your answer. Right, question for you is question. Find me 3/5 of 2, 7, 8, 5. Okay, actually, let's put it in words. Not that one. I won't do that one now. Of 3. Oh, keep doing numbers, don't I? 4,300 and 5. Okay. So there's your question. 3/5 of 4,305. Bring that into class. Okay, bring it into class. Right, next subject. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's do 8 squared. Find the value of 8 squared. 8 squared. That means squared. Now, squared does not mean 8 times 2. 8 times 2. No way. What it is the number you see twice, which equals 64. That means how many times you times that number by. So let's say we had, I don't know, let's say 3, 3, right? That there means actually cubed. Right, so we've got the 3 and we see it 3 times. 1, 1, 2, and 3, which equals 3 times 3 is 9. And 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, the most common error is people will go like 2 squared. Now, 2 squared equals 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay, because you're seeing that number twice. But even that there confuses people because 2 times 2 is 4. Yeah, but it's not. It's 2 squared, and it still gives us 4. So then people tend to go 3 squared equals 3 times 2. Yeah, the 2. No, it's what you see. It's what you see and how many times. So I see a 3 and I see it twice. And I see it twice. See, did it myself, which equals 9. Okay, so let's give a question. So what about finding A, 7 squared? What about finding B, 5 squared. And what about C, 5 cubed? Then have a go. Bring it into class. Let's mark it. Obviously, you can slow down the video and you can repeat it until you're confident. There are videos on my YouTube channel, remember, that cover all of this. Remember, it's Michelle's GCSE Maths. You don't need to subscribe. You can like it. And you can watch them. Right, number 3. What about this? 15 minus 10 divided by 2. What's the answer? What's the answer to this? Well, this is bid maths. I like my blocks. Okay, so we've got bracket, indices, so your powers, what we've just done. Divide and multiply together, and add and subtract. And we must do the sums in that order. So, got no bracket, we've got no indices or powers, but what we have got is a divide. And the divide is here, 10 divided by 2. So I'm going to bring everything else down. 15 minus 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then that gives us 15 minus 5 is 10. Okay, so you've got to do it in the order that it is. All right, it won't work. Now, there is a video on this, so if you want to look at it a little bit more, look at that video, okay? And have a go. So here's your question. Here's your question. Let's do something completely different to that. 15 times by 10 minus 8 plus 1. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Have a go. See what you come up with, and we'll go through it at the beginning of the lesson. Right. Okay, I'm out of page, so I'll bring up another page. There we go, lovely. Right. Okay, let's have a look at, one of my favourites. What number was we on? I can't remember. Number 3, so we're now on number 4. Pen. Oh. Right, so I can see that this is just an add or subtract. So the song to this is, remember there's different songs. Okay, highest number is your sign. So the highest number is 8, and the sign connected to 8 is minus. So highest number is your sign. So minus, we know it's minus. And then the next bit to it, mixed is minus, same is add. So here we've got a minus and a minus. So highest number is your sign. There's our sign. Mixed is minus, same is add. Well, these are the same. So I take my numbers and I add them. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Nice and easy, not too bad. Let's do another example of that. So if we had -7 plus, I don't know, 10, okay. Highest number is my sign. That's my highest number. So my sign is plus. Put it, or I don't put plus. It doesn't matter, okay? But for this example, I'm going to show it. Highest number is my sign. Mixed is minus. Right, okay. These are mixed. One's a negative, one's a plus. So highest number is my sign, mixed is minus. So I'm going to take my numbers and I'm going to minus, which gives me 3. So my answer is plus 3. Okay. The other one is times and divide, and that is one sign keep it, two signs don't. So let's do an example. -4 plus 5 equals one sign keep it. Oh, we've only got one. We've only got one here. Oh, I've got to do a times. Wait. Right. +5. Sorry, I was doing add there. Right. One sign keep it, two signs don't. Ah, I've only got one sign. One negative sign. So I'm going to keep it. And then I just do 4 times 5, which is 20. Okay, let's just do another one. 3 times -2. One sign, keep it. But I got one sign, one negative sign. One sign, keep it. Two signs don't. So 3 times 2 is 6. Let's do another one. -6 times -3. One sign, keep it. Two signs don't. I've got 2 signs here, so I don't keep it. I don't put a minus here. No way. One sign, keep it. Two signs don't. So I don't keep them. There's 2 signs, I don't keep them. So it's just basically 6 times 3 is 18. Right. Again, if you're unsure, just watch the videos. So question, let's do minus, let's make that A, -7 -3 and -7 plus 2. Remember the song. And then over here, let's do B, -3 times -5 and -2 times 4. Have a go. Have a go. Radio. Bring it into class. Bring it into class. Radio. Okay, so if a question asked, I want to put edging along my swimming. Wish I had a swimming pool. How much edging would I need if 1 meter costs £2.50? How much would it cost me? Right, so here's my little diagram. Bit wonky, but never mind. And this is 6 meters, and this is 3 meters. Right, the first thing you've got to consider, is this perimeter, area, or volume? Okay, now edging, along. So it's along here. It's along here. It's along here. And it's along here. They might use edging round my swimming pool. Round it. Yeah. All the way round the swimming pool. So look for the wording. Okay. So if that is 6, that is 6. And if that is 3 down here, then that is 3. And perimeter, going along or round, is always add. It's the only one that we add. Okay. Rim, perimeter. Let's write that down. Perim. Around the outside. Perimeter. Perimeter is add. So 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It is 18 meters. So we've done that bit. How much edging would I need? So that's that. So I'm going to make that my answer for that bit. Then it says, excuse me, if 1 meter costs £2.50, how much would it cost me? Okay, so if £1, it would cost me £18. Another pound would cost me another £18. And the 50p, half a pound, half of 18 is 9. So altogether, it will cost me 8, 16, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, £45. Make that my answer. Done. Okay, so it's about reading the question. Really important to read the question, okay? So if you get stuck with the wording, let's put that in our dictionary or at the back of your book, so you've got them words to go back to. Now, it might ask you to do a reverse calculation. So show, oh, I want it in black. Show a reverse calculation. Okay, so a reverse calculation. What does that mean? Well, it's referring to this or to this, okay, or anything that you've done, that you've shown in your working out, okay, but you've got to reverse it. So what we could do is here, we could do start with the 45 and minus 18. 5 take away 8 we can't do, so I'm going to borrow 1 there. And that leaves 7. 3 take away 1 is 2. Then I could do 27 minus another 18. I'm just doing this opposite. 7 take away 8 we can't do. That leaves 9. Oh, and it leaves 9. And that would do. That would do it. You've done a reverse calculation. Okay? And we'll look at that again in a minute. I think I need another piece of paper. Right. Okay, so let's give you a question on. No, I won't. No, I won't yet. No, I won't yet. Let's do number. What number are we on now? What number are we on now? What number was I on? Do. Go way to the top. Number 4. Okay. So I'm on number 5 now. Pen. Oh. Number 5. So let's have a look at this one. I want to fill in my swimming pool. I want to now fill in my swimming pool. How much water will I need? Okay, right, so here's my swimming pool. Now, might not be a great drawing here, but you get the gist. Well, that's kind of my swimming pool, right? Gonna fill it up. And this is 3 meters, 5 meters, and the depth of it is 2 meters. So how much water will I need? When you're filling something in, filling it in, okay, it's like a cup of, let's draw my cup. I'm not great at drawing, but there's a cup. You get the idea. Okay, it's like a swimming pool, isn't it? You know, you've got to fill it up and the water's going there to the top. So it's like perimeter would be around, wouldn't it? Around. Just around the swimming pool. Area would just be the face. Yeah. But volume is filling it up. So anything you fill up is volume. And volume is always cube because you've got 3 numbers. You have a length, a width, and a height or depth, depending how you say it. I always go length, width, height because it just makes sense to me. Okay, and you're times in that all together. So in this case, we've got 3 times Let me get rid of my cup because it's annoying me. 3 times the 5 times the 2. So 3 times 5 is 15 times by the 2, so it equals 30 meter squared. So that's what we're filling, yeah? That's what we're filling. How much water will I need? Well, you've got to fill up 30 meter squared. Okay, so for each meter squared, cubed. You've got 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Cubed. Each meter cube takes 3 liters of water. So here, okay, each meter cubed takes 3 liters of water, and you've got 30 meter cubed. So 30 times by 3 equals, nice and easy, you just got a 0 here. So 3 times 3 is 9 plus the 0. So it will take 90 litres. Okay, 90 litres. Now, a reverse on this could be, I'm going to use this, you know, nice and easy. For our reverse, we could do 90 divided by 30, 90 divided by 30, opposite, divide, right? Opposite, reverse, equals, get rid of that, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So you can see when you do a reverse, you're just using the same numbers, but you're doing the opposite. You're doing the opposite. Right, let's give you a question now, and I'm not going to say whether it's perimeter or volume. I need to put sand in my sand play box. If sand is sold in bags that fill, I don't know, 2 meter cubed, how many bags will I need if my sand box is 4 by 3 by 2? And you can make a drawing to help you out if it helps you out. I walk around a field that is 10 meter by 4 meter. I do this 4 times. How far do I walk? Right, So there's 2 questions there, okay? Work it out, show you're working, and I want a reverse calculation for each one as well. I want a reverse for this one, for that one, and I want a reverse for that one. Okay, so let's have a quick peep. So we've done that. We've done that. We've done all of that. I'll put my camera back on now that I've finished. So have a go. If you get it wrong, great. We can look at it and we can go over it in class. Okay, so it's not a problem, but please have a go at the questions. I will have them on a piece of paper anyway when you walk in case you don't watch this video. I hope you do. And I'm trying to go. I'm going to try and do these once a week on a Sunday. So I'll give them to you on a Sunday and we can really get moving on this, okay? Right, hope that helps. Take care and I'll see you Tuesday. Bye.